Meditation tips for beginners. What is the first thought that comes to mind when you hear the word meditation? Many people think that meditation is sitting down, legs crossed, closed eyes, and just thinking. Is this perception wrong? No, it is not. At the very least, it gives the idea of what meditation is. And someone might ask, is meditation the same as thinking? Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Have you always wanted to start meditation but you don't know where to start? This video is for you. In today's video, we are going to explain what meditation is as well as how you can get started as a beginner. And we are also going to discuss whether meditation is the same as thinking. So subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell if you haven't done so already. And without further ado, let's get this party started. What exactly is meditation? Well, meditation entails focusing the mind on one thing to achieve mental clarity and emotional stability. There are different kinds of meditation, and everyone gets into meditation for one reason or another. Since each type of meditation is tailored towards a certain need, it is important to know what you want to gain out of meditation. This will help you to pick the meditation style that best suits your needs. Examples of meditation styles there are: mindfulness meditation, spiritual meditation, focused meditation, movement meditation, and mantra meditation. The meditation styles that feel comfortable to you are the ones that you are highly encouraged to participate in. Meditation connects the mind to the body, and it has been shown to reduce stress and improve immunity. Meditation can be the best way to deal with grief since it helps one develop acceptance of difficult emotions. Some cultures all over the world still practice meditation to create a sense of calmness and inner harmony. Meditation is like fighting your inner demons. Feelings of anger, resentment, and grief can be dealt with through meditation. Now that we have looked at the benefits that meditation has, how do you now get started? And the aim is to start and do it correctly. Start by finding a comfortable spot where you will be able to relax. Should you sit on a mat when your legs are crossed? Of course not. You can sit in any position that feels most comfortable for you. Try to empty your mind and pay close attention to the present moment of your thoughts, emotions, or what is happening in your life at that moment. You may not get it right the first time, but with practice, you will get better. You may choose to focus on your breathing. You can focus on how your chest is moving up and down when you are breathing. Or you could focus on the air moving through your nose. Choose one thing and focus on that. Make sure that your mind does not wander off, and if it does, try to return your attention to that one thing. And how many minutes should meditation last? Meditation does not have a timeline. Setting 5 minutes every day to practice meditation is all you need. When you don't have the expertise to practice something, it becomes boring very quickly. Meditating on your own at first may be difficult, so you could seek the guidance of an experienced teacher to assist you in your meditation journey. Or you could also install an app on your phone that will help you while meditating. Examples of such apps are Insight Timer, UCLA Mindful, Headspace, and Calm. All these apps you can download from iOS and Google Play Store. UCLA Mindful is a free version, and it is great for beginners who are just getting started. Our minds are always at work. Is there a time in your life that you find that your mind is blank? You are not thinking about anything? Comment below. Let's engage. In meditation, our minds wander off so easily because that is what we are used to. You may get lost in thought thinking about things that happened in the past or present, or maybe wishing you would have done something differently, or you would have handled a certain situation differently. And this is very normal. When your mind wanders off, you become aware that it has wandered off, and now you want to return your thoughts to the one thing you were focusing on. The chances that your mind will probably wander again are high. Don't beat yourself up for it or quit because you think you don't know how it is done. How you respond to the wandering off is all that matters. Don't let yourself be carried away by the thought. Just take a deep breath and slowly come back to the present and go back to meditating. At this moment, you will see that we start by focusing on one thing, and then the mind wanders off, and we come back. It wanders again, we come back. The skill of meditation is in the practice of coming back. Changing the focus is part of the process of noticing. Meditation gives you a chance to step back and become the observer. You observe your emotions, your feelings, or the things that are happening in your life, and this makes you more aware of them. It's like it gives you meaning to why maybe you have been struggling with anger. Meditation sometimes is scary and can set off emotions of anxiety and judgment, but at the end of the day, remember to give yourself some grace. You are trying. Well, there you have meditation explained and how you can get started as a beginner. And by reaching this point, we mark the end of this video. What do you think of meditation after watching this video? And is it something you would love to give a try? Comment below. Let's engage. Also, please leave a like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more amazing health-related videos.